lost in spectral streams, turning memories into dreams. Let the past subside.